Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of me opening AliExpress DollarExpress deals. Let's get straight into this and see what we got this time. All right. This one right here I got previously is basically a emergency LED strobe light, magnetic, right there, magnetic, and it uses, I believe, CR2032 batteries, two of them in there, but you could see, okay, maybe, yeah, the power is out on this, so I'm gonna have to look into the batteries of it. But I believe, two of them, and the time that I got this, $3.25, $3.25 each. I'll find the other one that's in there right here. There you go. Better box compared to this one. It's got crushed, but let me see if this one works. All right, let's see. All right, it seems like either the power is out or the battery's not connected, or it did not come with batteries, which is not a surprise. Technically, items, at least from what I'm hearing, they're not supposed to send it with the batteries unless it's those rechargeable type. But any loose lithium, or, well, not lithium, but well, you get what I mean, at least from what I heard, but don't quote me on it. As far as in this being operational, I'll find out more in depth into it. But if you look at my previous videos, there is a part of the video that has this. But once again, $3.25, $3.25 is great to put in your car for emergencies and anything, but we'll figure it out. All right, next up, this one right here is basically a double carabiner. I always forget what it is supposed to pronounce, but yeah, it's a double carabiner. As you can see, pretty cool to hook up your, keychains or anything, but excuse me. But yeah, this one right here, $1.39, $1.39 for this piece. Pretty cool. I'm gonna make use of it, hook it up to my everyday carry items, keys, whatnot. Okay, next up, this one right here is basically an extension antenna booster or cable. You can see right there, it should plug into my Baofeng radios. As you can see, this is the female male head, if you can get what I mean. So it's basically the male is in here, but it double as a female too. So, but yeah, just like that. But once again, this one is an extension cable. I'm gonna probably use this to hook up to antenna, for my car. So when I'm traveling off-roading, I can hook up my Baofeng radios and get more antenna frequency. As for the price, pretty good deal. I believe at that time that I got it for, it was $2.59, and the length of it is 5 meters long. So that's a pretty good distance that I could, hook it up and the external antenna. So pretty cool. All right, next up, this one right here is more speaker phone, or speaker microphone for my Baofeng radios. I order another 2 set right there. Pretty cool. $2.19. Now I believe I'm gonna have a total of 6 of these for my 6 Baofeng radios. So pretty cool. $2.19 at the time of the deal. I got 2 of them. All right, next one, this one right here. I know what this is. This is basically, let's see which one this is. two sizes. This one right here, as you can see, is basically a Splint 36-inch. So, you know, if someone has a arm or leg injury, so this would go good. It's nice and thick padding where you could tie a splint to, you know, someone's either leg or arm. If something happens, this is good in my safety bag when I'm going off-roading and all stuff. So pretty cool. This is the 36-inch version. As far as in the price, I believe at the time of the deal for the 36 one, it was $3.19, $3.19. So like I said, it's gonna go into my emergency safety kit bag, whatever. Pretty cool. I believe this one is the other Splint. This one right here is the smaller version, 18-inch. So this is good for smaller applications right there, even for kids. Hopefully, you know, I don't have to use it, but I have something for it. But this Splint right here, $2.79, $2.79. Next up, yes, this one right here. Now I'm getting a lot of accessory for my Baofeng radios. This one right here, I happen to have 4 UV5R radios, and you know, it doesn't have the USB or Type-C charging port that's on the battery. So this one right here is a substitute. It still uses USB, but it's just basically clamp prongs right there. Pretty cool. So clamp out to the battery. But of course, when it's being charged, I'm just gonna leave it alone. But at least this is good for traveling. When I'm like not using radio, I could put it in the charger this way, USB charger. This one right here, I believe I got 2 of them, and they were only about $3.99 each, $3.99 each. So I have 2 of them. So it'll be backup for, you know, to recharge the battery. Now I believe I could just remove, you know, if I had spare batteries, I could just remove the battery and just charge it without, you know, being installed in the radio with this too. So that's a good way to charge up, you know, your spare batteries at the same time. I believe this is the other unit. And yes, it is. It's the other unit. Once again, $3.99, $3.99 for a UV5R battery. I forgot the model number for the battery, but it charges the battery, those that don't have the USB charging. Okay, next up is, well, another radio. Like I said, this is the second piece. Once again, I got it for only $2.19, $2.19 for a wired microphone piece set. I believe that is it. Let's try to make it presentable. All right, guys, thanks for joining me. Till next time. Peace.